guest, honourable assistants. It is a great pleasure and profound honour to welcome you at the Institute of Advanced Study in Levant Culture and Civilization in Bucharest. We are enthusiastic about hosting this conference of such an important topic as that of the crossing of geographical barriers and its impact on states and societies, not only militarily and economically, but also in the realm of knowledge and the arts. Certainly, the debate this event will focus on antiquity, but the issue is also of much interest nowadays. This is extremely suitable to us as an Institute of Advanced Study, having the informal motto: we learn from the past in order to understand the present and to prepare for the future. I am also pleased to see that the topic attracted such a large number of researchers from many different universities and institutes with distinct methodological and geographical specializations. From my perspective, besides the relevance of the subject, the diversity of approaches is the second most important condition for the success of an academic event at this scale. Looking on the program a few days ago and seeing you now in the room, I can tell that this requirement is copiously met. So thank you for your positive answer to our call and for coming to Bucharest. I also wish to thank our partners in this endeavor. The Austrian Academy of Sciences, the Universities of Vienna and Innsbruck, and the Institute of Archaeology of Bucharest, as well as the Melammu project. And let me notice one thing. It's not a coincidence that the impetus for a workshop with the topic came from researchers working in two countries, Romania and Austria, united and partially defined by such a great and awe-inspiring river as the Danube. In our institute, we recognize the great importance of the Danube and the West Pontic coast for mediating connection between Central Europe and the Eastern Mediterranean, and we started a few years ago a project devoted to the study of the port settlements in this area from prehistory to the present. It is well understood that I am very happy because so many papers that will be read at this conference deal with all Istros and Pontus. Centrally, our Danubian and Pontic project is only one among quite a few that we embarked on since the relatively recent foundation of the Institute in 2017. We were able to host significant events at the annual meeting of the World Academy of Art of Science, to whom we are affiliated as the Center of Excellence, or the first ever comprehensive conference on war and textile in antiquity. We also published a wide series of volumes, and we are editing two periodicals, the International Journal Levant Studies and Natur Culturalia, where you are welcome to submit your studies. Part of this is displayed on your left, and I invite you to take a look at them during the breaks. Our aim is to bring through our work a significant contribution to the knowledge and valorization of the long-lasting heritage of the Levant and its large accepted meaning. I am confident that we will achieve our goal as we were able to assemble a small but highly professional active team, of which Liviu Iancu, who had the initiative of this conference, and Ana Maria Raducan, who will hold an engaging presentation tomorrow, are illustrative examples. I'm also optimistic as we are not doing this alone. We have many individual and institutional friends, museums, universities, NGOs, entrepreneurs. Some of them helped us with the organization of this event too, and we are, as always, much thankful for their precious support. We are hopeful that after spending these few days in Bucharest and getting acquainted with the pleasant atmosphere of our institute, the vibrant spirit of the city center, the elegant silhouette of the monument, and the kindness of these inhabitants, we will be able to count you all among our friends. I wish also you all a nice day in Romania, constructive talks, and why not some spare time that will leave you with great memories over the years. I spent decades in researching Romanian geology, and I know well that international conferences are very important moments in the life of an academic. Despite the hardships encountered by researchers, nothing compared to the emotion of presenting the results of your research in front of your brethren, the curiosity of learning as well from them, the great pleasure in meeting old friends and new like-minded people, and chatting with them over a cup of coffee or a glass of wine. Enjoy the moment. Thank you.